on, we're zeroed out. We got the logbook going. This is the Saturday run, just kind of the teaser, the 50k little warm-up. Download the road route because this is like 18 kilometers of road. My freaking road book, man, keeps dicking up. I think, is this meant to be the freaking route? It's just a road. I mean, it's a good road, but we're on 500 XCs, man. My road book's not working, it keeps resetting, so I'm just gonna follow Adam. It's always better to have someone in front of you anyway. Makes it a little bit more interesting. They're like KTM 500. I mean, surely I can just go around and then next turn we'll just stop. Let's just do wheelies, eh? Who needs road books when you can do sick cunts? Alright, we got a new logbook. Got the right logbook. This is the exact same thing happened last year, man. I got the stupid logbook that doesn't work, that I had to quickly download another one. I got the other one. We're zeroed in 2590. So the next bit is 2888, and it is go right. What could go wrong? I did stop for about 10 minutes, so can we catch up to the boys? There's a hard right coming up. I should just be able to see it, eh? Oh, the 500's loving it. The freaking mirrors aren't. Right. This is nice through the plantation. Beautiful pine forest. Did not want to get a rock up my face though from Brendan. Holy goal. I didn't even mean to do that. Just EXC fun for you. Didn't even see that. Wheelies up the hill. This is pretty good through here. A motocross track through the freaking pine forest. Underneath, around you go. This is almost a single track. Like barely a twin track. So we've got this is steep, then it goes right after a kilometre.
Alright, sweet. Do you want to go first?
No, I'll film you.
Oh, alright, sweet.
I'll be right behind you.
When do I turn? Or I'll just stop at the top?
You got a K to go, just keep going. God, you can't see anything following. That was a bad idea. That was not very steep. That was a nothing hill. A bit of nothing. Oh, Jesus, look at the dust. See if we can go up on the back wheel. Mate, it's more fun to do. Trying to show off on the back wheel. Oh, I went over. Ricky, come on. I've done it again. Too many lube. Too much showing off, man. I almost looped it twice. Maybe just go up the hill, Tom. Stop being a show off.
You ended up going.
I went, yeah, I had it, and then I had to lean. I was like a perfect side stand, but then I went over. Really trying to wash off the speed there. This would be tricky on a 2-stroke. All right, yeah, then we just go left, I think. No single track. Open roads. Well, that was not a bad little hill for the balance. So tomorrow doing the advance might be good. Oh sheesh kebabs. Kind of happy I did fix my brakes before this open roads. I have a leaky fork seal on the left, and I really didn't want to get my fork seals done because it's freaking expensive, man. I don't know how to do it myself, so I just got a seal made in there and cleaned out the dirt, and it actually fixed the leaky fork seal mostly, but I got an absolute frick load of fork oil on my brake pads, so I had 0 brake pads just before open roads, like the day before. So I googled how do you fix fork oil on brake pads, and they said whack them out and chuck them in the oven. So I chucked them in the oven, 250 for about an hour or so. They were smoking, all the oil smokes out of the pads, and I whacked them back in, and we got friggin' brakes again. Well, they're not perfect, but they're stopping me out here like this. Wah! Brakes, 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 brakes. So they're working. But I still do have a slightly leaky fork seal, but frick doing fork seals, man. It's $400 I can spend on booze. Who needs freaking suspension? All right, here we go. Just got a turn coming up. Which way? That. Tree in middle, cool, left. Woo. Hitting those washouts big. Even on 500, man, it's hard to hit them properly. Like, I am indeed the nasal voice that everyone recognizes. Oh yeah. Jeez, that was a long time ago.
I was looking for one. I was typing postie bike.
Bees. Look at them all. Ah! All right. Then it is left, right. Woo, doggy. Woo. 500 EXE. Oh my god. Woo. Oh, geez, it's a fun bike. Oh, I'm almost dead at every corner, but oh, who cares? Oh, stop! Oh, I hope you can see what's happening. You know, I need a camera on the back end of this bike. I wish I was a good enough rider to do this bike justice, man. Oh, I'm gonna have so much arm pump for tomorrow. It's probably actually a bad idea. All right, 38, shut the gate, go straight. Actually, I might have to chill out. I'm not freaking fit enough to do this 2 days in a row. I found that out in the desert on my 450. The next day I couldn't lift my arms. What a track though. Well done, Open Roads. This is a blast on this thing. I don't see much. I've got no goggles to clean. Jeez, the dust. I don't see much. Alright, check the old road book. Guess we go that way, eh? Old mates know where they're going. Trusting them. 41 straight. I'll take that. Holy mackerel. This front tyre's got no life left in her. Which way do we go? Do you guys need a hand? We're all good? Awesome. They look good on their side 10 arrays, it's good. What a beautiful bike. Ducati Desert X. That's it, that's the balance track done. I think. We're at what, 46. Just go straight. Do some wheelies. This is pretty cool. A little bit of freaking forest twin track pavement. Must be a bike track or something. What the freak are we on? Oh gosh. Ian's gone psycho mode. Psycho mode, Ian! Holy shit! Woo, hoo, 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 hoo. What a psycho! Love it! Alrighty, gents, what are we doing? We're going up there, Mount Buffalo. So we've pretty much done all you can do at Open Roads. So we're gonna go to a waterfall that Brendan found. So we're in all the gear. I'm in Crocs. Got the diffs locked on it, but heading up to Mount Buffalo, go to a waterfall. It's gonna be lovely, man. Just went past like Mount Beauty. I have a bit of a story about Mount Beauty. When I was snowboarding at Falls Creek near Mount Beauty, I to this day don't know what happened, but it was like the end of the day. I was coming down off the summit of Falls Creek, and my friend from high school, this is back when I was in high school, friend from high school took a green run and I was doing a black run, and I don't know what happened. I woke up at Mount Beauty Hospital. No one knows really what happened, but my friend from high school got to the bottom of the mountain, and I just never showed up. And it was like towards the end of the day, the bus was going to take us back to Mount Beauty, and I just never rocked up. So she called Ski Patrol, told Ski Patrol that I've gone missing, and then they went out in their little ski-doos and found me face down in the snow off the track like 50 meters, man. I must have just freaking obviously I hit my head, concussion, no helmet. I was a cool kid back then, no helmet, snowboarding. But yeah, no idea what happened. All my friends from high school told me that like An abominable snowman probably freaking did shit to me. But yeah, the weird thing was is that I was unclipped from my snowboard. Oh my god, that looks like an awesome waterfall up there. So yeah, like I must have hit my head, unclipped my snowboard, and then just like fell on my face. But yeah, I spent the night in Mount Beauty Hospital, and I was fine. I wear a helmet now though, because I don't know what happened, man. Like I woke up in hospital, couldn't tell you what happened. So yeah, wear a helmet when you're snowboarding, because it's friggin', you don't even know what happens, man. But here we are, we're heading into the waterfall, Mount Buffalo. Got the Crocs, got the shorts. What could go wrong? Just talking about wearing protective gear snowboarding. Wear no gear when you're on a dirt bike. Don't listen to Uncle Tom. Looks magical, man. This looks like Yosemite or something. Dude, I'm gonna spend more time at Mount Buffalo, man. I keep seeing these awesome Instagram pictures, and it's not even that far away from my house. Not a freaking bad road either, even on the freaking 500 on Nobbies. Look at that, I don't know if you can see that. Hell to the yeah, ooh, red dogs. We're heading to Lady Bath Falls. It should be just up here. So we've done everything on open roads, and it's a friggin' warm day. So we're gonna go sit in a waterfall and drink a tinny or two. No more than two. That's Eurobin Falls. Oh my god, this is God's country. Hell to the yeah, mate. Alright, here we go. Oh mate, there's billions of people here. Frick. Brendan said there was no one here last time. Jesus. I guess because it was Friday. Wow, this is actually a special spot, man. Holy crap. Oh, what a river spot. Wow, Mount Buffalo, man. This shit is awesome. Look how clear it is. Let's go. Alright, just been on our waterfall adventure. Hey, look, it's Nerbson. Boonk. Hello, Dad.
Hello.
Hello.
Were you on the tracks now?
No, we went to a waterfall. That's why we're in Crocs. All the safety gear.
Did you do a track today?
We did, yeah, earlier. We did it so fast. We had so much free time. We went swimming in a waterfall. We're just so good, so that's it.
Yeah, but you have freaking advanced riders.
We're so advanced. No, I looped it on the hill. I was trying to show off and wheelie up the hill. It went right over.
Really?
Yeah, the first freaking hill.
Do you have it on video?
All on video, but I'll never show it. No, I will. Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop. Should I ride over Nick's tent? Should I ride over Brendan's tent? Probably should. Marshall. Always humble Marshall. That'll do.